police administration or the police council?
Oh, so there should be a cause. There should be the reason why or more interdiction. So, infractions be back. Now it is detected. Now report to the police. Now if there's a need for any interdiction, so the police administration based on information from wherever. Police interdiction now a police council and the quarters here. After the meeting, then it came out say we interdict and therefore somebody must sign the interdiction letter. Somebody must give instruction. Because after
you're right. As I say, police council, all interdictions, Omanhene, and I say Abia a senior officer answer.
And your police, administration, and your police council, police council, there's as a board and one committee after the meeting, whatever instructions be a free or the whoever supposed to action the instructions, and so after the meeting, and it came out say the people must be interdicted, and therefore. A police service.
What Roma? Mami reading Regulation 14, which talks about interdiction of a police officer. There can or say where proceedings for the dismissal or removal of a police officer are being or are about to be taken, or if criminal proceedings are being instituted against him, the Inspector General may, if he considered that the interests of the force require that the police officer concerned should cease forthwith to exercise the powers and functions of his office, interdicts him from the exercise of those powers and functions. He said the Inspector General may. 2. A police officer shall not be interdicted unless the nature of the case rendered it desirable that he should not remain on duty while the case is pending, and he cannot be posted to other duties without detriment to the interest of the force. Where a superior officer,
Sompa FM,
a superior police office considers that any police officer under his command should be interdicted, he shall send a request for interdiction to the Inspector General by the quickest possible means. So here it does not mention the police council. It says if anything happens and the police officer, be it a superior, the Inspector General may interdict him. Where comes the police council?
Oh, that be simple. As I buy a click tape no buy no, and the Minister of Interior, I catch IGP say this is serious. Interdict the people so that we institute probe. Who is going to do the right things? Who is going to effect that instruction? The IGP na other police for ano. Until you will not see the instructions say police council and the koye meeting and one can na say even the president kurano and the instruction no buy and now minister, interior minister and the instruction no buy. It goes to the IGP.
Okay.
The IGP will effect the action. And this here you need a UBA say police for no and the effect the instructions and now say what has come out of the meeting.
So in effect, the IGP may be directed by the police council to do that.
Yes, after the meeting,
okay.
After the meeting, this is what the way forward. IGP